Fixture type presets help us a lot when we want to transport our personalized presets together with our fixture types from show to show. So let's see how it works in MA3 version 2.0. We enter the menu, and in the menu we can see a new section which is called Show Creator. And in this Show Creator menu, we will find at the very bottom a new button which says Store Presets to Fixture Types. So this is exactly the place where we can select some presets from our feature groups like dimmer, position, gobo, color, and so on, and transfer it to the respective fixture types. So let's imagine we want to export and store our color presets to our Astra wash fixtures because we have mixed the color in a nice way, and this color we want to use in many different shows. So first of all, we select none and we just select the color presets. And here on the right hand side, we select the fixture type. In this case, it's the Astra wash with this DMX mode. And at the bottom right corner, we can say auto store presets. In this case, the presets from the color presets pool, which are relevant for the Astra wash fixtures, they will be stored directly with the fixture types. So let's say we merge this, and you can see we successfully stored a lot of fixture type presets here. Then on the other hand, of course, as we imagine, we want to export this fixture type and bring it back to a different show. And therefore we have the second button in the menu which says Create Presets from Fixture Types. So it's the same menu but the other way around. On the left hand side you can find the fixture types. Therefore the Astra wash, for example, and we know that we want to automatically create the color presets, for example, in a different show. In this case again, the bottom right corner says Auto Create Presets. And you can say if you want to override the preset pool or if you just want to merge the presets. And then you can see it successfully created 100 presets in this case because we had some of them already in our show file.